ba yung annual confirmation of pensioner or sikat na naririnig po natin is yung AKOP. So ano po ba yung AKOP? So yung AKOP po or yung annual confirmation of pensioner, it actually refers to the reporting of pensioner to SSS on a yearly basis to ensure continuous payment of their monthly pensions, subject to the continuing eligibility to the said benefit in accordance with RA number 11199 or the Social Security Act of 2018. So who are actually required dito sa pag-report sa AKOP po natin? So we have the retirement pensioners residing abroad, total disability pensioners, death or survivor pensioners, and also yung dependent children under the guardianship. Sa bagong guidelines po natin, pagdating sa AKOP po, kasama na po yung mga retiree pensioners po natin na who are actually residing here in the Philippines na ang edad po nila is 80 years old and above. So starting po yan itong month na to.